Hi everyone, I hope you're all well and welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to be working on level 13 to level 14, and the goal for this level is to find the password for the next level, which is stored in this directory, and it can only be read by Bandit 14. For this level we do not get the next password, but we get a private SSH key that can be used to log into the next level. The local host is a name that refers to the machine that we're working on. Now, first things first, we have been told that we are going to find the password located here, and it can only be accessed by Bandit 14, yet we will be logging in as Bandit 13. This means that we somehow need to become Bandit 14, and since we do not have the password for Bandit 14, it means that we need to first of all log into Bandit 13 and then get the SSH private key that now we can use to log into the Bandit 14 user instead of the password. And then from there now we will have the access rights to this directory, and then we can get the password. And then a small hint here is that localhost is a hostname that refers to the machine we're working on. Why this is relevant is because think of it like this: if we are logging into any level in this Bandit series then it means we are connecting from our actual devices to their servers so that we can access, for example, Bandit 13. That is what we are going to do. And then from there, in that same server, we need now to switch to a different user, meaning that we are still logging in from the same server, only that we are logging into a different user, and that is why we use localhost, because that refers to the server, since it is the same device that both users are running on. These are some of the commands that we may need to solve this level, and then this is some helpful reading material. Obviously we need to first log into Bandit 13. I'm going to do that. We have been told that we need to get the private SSH key, and this is typically located on the home directory which we are on as a hidden file. So to check it out, we need to use that command. Yes, we have the private key here, and this is what we're going to use to log into Bandit 14. To do that, I'm going to use SSH, specify the port, because all of these Bandit users run on the same port, so that is why I'm specifying it. And also, the last time I worked on it, there was an error and it was popularized, and it turns out that all you needed to do was to specify the port number, so just keep that in mind. And then we use this so that now we can use the private key. And then now Bandit 14 localhost. We write it here because it is the same device. If we are logging into a different server, then we will write the name of that server there, as we have been doing in our previous commands when logging into these different levels. That should be it. Yes, we are now logged in as Bandit 14, as you can see down here. So let me clear this. We have been told that the password is stored in this directory, so I'm just going to copy it. No, see, let me just write it out. Let me copy it. Yes, there it is. Oh, it is not Bandit 14, is a file, not a directory, so I'm going to use that command instead. And there's the password. We have accessed the password as a different user, and this is one of the ways in which you can use SSH and private keys to log in to different users, different ports in the same device. That is all for this, and I will see you in the next video and level. Thank you and bye bye.
you.